So now we have an example where we're finding the average rate of change, but they give us a graph. Just remember, change in output over change in input. Okay? So in this case, it's the function g of t, change in g of t over change in t. Okay, and remember they have to give us an interval. So here we go. Given the function g of t, find the average rate of change on the interval -1 to 2. So you're starting at -1 and you're going to 2. That's your interval. You're doing the average rate of change over that. So your, I guess, t sub 2 is 2, and your t sub 1 is -1. All right? So I can write this out. That might be helpful. So g of t sub 2 minus g of t sub 1 over t sub 2 minus t sub 1. Okay. Now, what is, where can I write this? What is g of t sub 2? Or g of 2, I guess I should say. What's g of 2? That's t sub 2. So you have to read it off the graph. The output is 1. Okay? Now, what's g of -1? Well, you go to -1, you read up, it looks like it's 4. Okay. So now, if I want to write out the formula, I'm going to have g of 2 minus g of -1 over 2 minus -1. And then that's going to be, g of 2 was 1, right? Minus 4 over, well, it's 2 plus 1. So I'm getting -3 over 3, which is -1. That would be then the average rate of change. We don't have any units on this. We don't know what we're measuring. So we can just say the average rate of change is -1. Now in these first 2 examples, the average rate of change came out to be negative. That is not always the case. But you can see you're going down more than you're going up over that interval.